Hello guys, we're going to do a quick recording on where we stand on altcoins right now. This is total 2 divided by Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Basically gives us odds against BTC as a ratio. And what we can see is that we've been in a strong downtrend since the top of Jan 2018. We literally made one decent move in April, and we made a bit of a consolidation which bottomed out in September. But basically this was another 6 months, September to about April of 2019, and since then we made another strong drop down. So we are making another high and a higher low. We failed to make another higher high, wherein right now we don't have a confirmation that this is an uptrend on the weekly time frame, but we are at least consolidating and sideways until a direction is proven. I feel that we can only really be trending strongly once we break this weekly resistance level. And you can see we did have another strong resistance level up here, which we did not really even come close to. The long-term downtrend line is still left unchallenged. There is still definitely quite a bit of time to go before we can deal with that. But for now, what I can see is there is a probability of some kind of an opportunity. I'm going to drill down to the daily. So on the daily time frame, we can see that we did make a strong move. We retraced it, and now we made the second leg of possibly a new move, and currently we are retracing that. The retrace is close to the 618 level, and we are very close to a daily support. I think this daily support needs to hold, and a turnaround from here will not only give us a nice impulse, it will break this trend line and give us some room to move. Historically, December has been a very good time for alts, so essentially this should be a decent time to be looking for long positions in alt BTC pairs. I'm going to go to the BNB BTC pair, because essentially BNB is a pair that leads the alt market a lot of times, and you can see on the BNB BTC pair that we did bottom out in September. I did make this call on my Twitter. We had pretty strong divergence heading into a nice monthly support level, and a price bounced very well from there. We were consolidating and moving in this down channel, which in the October move we broke out of pretty strongly, and currently now we are retesting the top of that channel. At the same time, we have made an upward channel, and this channel, I can show you, it has been working very well. It's giving nice 30% moves in either directions. If you have been following me on YouTube and on Twitter, I have been showing how to trade channels and how to be able to use these moves pretty successfully. So now you can see that we've made a higher high, a higher low, another higher high, and a higher low, and all within this channel. We are currently at the bottom of this channel, so it is a very nice place to be managing risk for a long trade. And currently I am in a BNB BTC long. You can trade this on margin on Binance. If you are good, you can trade it on spot as well. I am currently undecided on BTC, though we are forming a bit of a range. We are in a strong downtrend, so I do prefer a lot of times to even play all BTC pairs which are available on margin using USD exposure, so that I do not have to think much about BTC. Apart from that, otherwise I am hedged a lot of times in BTC at key positions if I do want to play spot markets, as since Bitcoin is ranging and we are in December, The seasonality says that this is a good time to be focusing on alts, guys. So the alt BTC market is again on strong support. The BNB BTC pair, which has historically led us on the way up and on the way down, is again on support and trending and in a very good place to manage risk. So I suggest to have a look at this and keep an eye out for what we might get. Hopefully we can get some fireworks in December and keep this crypto market and alt market alive. Cheers, guys. I will see you again for another update soon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and share it with someone else. And if you have any questions about what we covered today, please leave them in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you or answer them in my next video. For more trading content and education, go ahead and click on the video on your right. Thanks for watching, guys, and cheers!